Also, for you guys, it's weird, but this theater always adds the trailers really quiet, so it's not gonna be loud. For some reason, they do that.
But is the movie loud?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'ma guess Ferrari.
So I look up at the stars to guide me.
I wish.
And throw caution to every warning sign.
My king, you spoil us with your magic.
I didn't do it.
What?
I believe I have just been threatened.
Who would dare threaten you?
I have no response to that.
Last night, I made a wish on the star. And the star answered.
I'm talking. I am talking. Who knew my voice would be this low?
So I
There is a traitor amongst us. Find Asha.
It's a dead end.
With unsanded mahogany. Yes.
Oh, good find, Valentino.
My butt found it.
I started this. I have to finish it.
Thank you.
What are you hiding? Nothing.
What is going on in there?
Okay, ladies. Your wings can fly, but your voices can.
That's actually a different trailer.
It is?
Yeah. Oh, this is Migration.
Pues, le voy a decir a mami que ya.
Oh, it's Wonka. Never mind. Oh, but look. It's the new trailer.
So you're the funny little man who's been following me.
Funny little man. I will have you know that I am a perfectly respectable size for an Oompa Loompa. In fact, in Loompa I am regarded as something of a whopper. They call me Lofty.
Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all. My name is Willy Wonka. You see, I'm something of a
Okay.
magician.
Every time I go
Prepared
to
to
the
be
theater, the
amazed.
trailers are quiet, but
Typo.
these ones are actually louder than usual.
And chocolate maker.
the best chocolate in the world.
Ooh. He's good. Too good.
And anyone can afford them. Even the
poor?
He doesn't like it when people say poor. Send Wonka a message.
Do not sell chocolate in this town.
You're gonna get more than a bonk on the head.
I love a bonk on the head.
What is with me today?
You should stand up to those bullies. Give them the old 1-2.
I got an idea.
Where do we start?
Making chocolate, of course.
Every good thing in this world started with a dream. So you hold on to yours.
I guess it's time to change the world.
I'm not in premium economy. Good night, sir. I am going flat. What is it?
Nothing.
Well, it's obviously something because you said, huh.
Forget it.
Very well.
Wait, have you seen this trailer before?
Huh. Oh, you did it again. Tell me what it is or I shall poke you quite viciously with a cocktail stick.
The color purple? I mean, this.
Oh.
Oh, Studio Ghibli. Oh, the boy and the heron. I think this is the boy and the heron.
マヒトさん行きましょう。
like, that's the boy in the heron.
Hay que estar bien pendiente para un anuncio de 2020, una policía.
What? Is this Wonka again? What? That's never happened.
This trailer?
The same trailer! It's Wonka! What the hell happened?
Funny little man who's been following me.
Funny little man. I will have you know that I am a perfectly respectable size for an Oompa Loompa. In fact, in Lompaland, I am regarded as something of a whopper. They call me Lofty. Sorry.
Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all. My name is Willy Wonka. You see, I'm something of a magician. Prepare to be amazed.
Tape out.
And a chocolate maker.
The best chocolate in the world.
Ooh. He's good. Too good. And anyone can afford them. Even the
poor?
He doesn't like it when people say poor. Send Wonka a message.
Do not sell chocolate in this town!
You're gonna get more than a bonk on the head.
I love a bonk on the head.
What is with me today?
You should stand up to those bullies. Give them the old 1-2.
I got an idea.
Where do we start?
Making chocolate, of course.
Every good thing in this world started with a dream. So you hold on to yours.
I guess it's time to change the world.
I'm not in premium economy. Good night, sir. I am going flat. Huh. What is it?
Nothing.
Well, it's obviously something because you said, huh.
Forget it.
Very well. Huh. Oh, you did it again. Tell me what it is or I shall poke you quite viciously with a cocktail stick.
That was so weird.
I can't believe they showed that twice.
Ahora voy a enseñar el otro otra vez.
Oh, Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes.
When I sleep,
Yeah,
see
the trailer released like a week ago. That was fast.
Memories?
Not memories. New things. I see everything.
That is not everything.
Oh, she's from The Witcher, by the way.
What a wonderful day! Manzana de verdad, con rica canela y un toque de dulce de leche. Así es la nueva dona Apple Cinnamon. Una
Really?
delicia
I like it.
en Krispy Kreme.
I really like apple pie. Aquaman.
4 years ago, I was basically unemployed. wanderer with no home. But now, I'm a husband and a father, and I wouldn't have it any other way. How you doing, Pops?
My job was a little less stressful than yours.
Oh yeah, I finally got a job. I'm the king of Atlantis. 500 million people from every known species in the sea call this place home. But that doesn't mean they all like me. I'm gonna kill Aquaman and destroy everything he holds dear. I'm gonna murder his family and burn his kingdom to ash.
You must be stopped, or a global meltdown is imminent.
I think I know someone might be able to help us. Ooh, you look rough. Brother, high five.
Do not call me brother. I cannot believe you let this happen.
Yeah, well, I hate this job.
True king builds bridges, right?
True king builds bridges.
We need to find Manta.
He's different now. He's stronger than before.
It's the Black Trident. During King Atlan's time, there were 7 kingdoms. The Trident was a curse upon them all.
Prehistoric magic is spreading.
He means to end the bloodline.
I don't know what lies ahead. But we can't leave our children at war without hope.
You're not as bad at this as you think. If you lead, the 7 kingdoms will follow.
Cortaron casi todas sus escenas, pues. Que ya la película
Ferrari.
fue bien poquita.
I'm gonna say Ferrari or Bob Marley. I'm guessing.
Sí, negrito estaba bueno.
But Ferrari.
If you get into one of my cars, you get in the win.
Esta oferta familiar es tan buena que nos ahorramos el bla bla bla. Por menos de $4 por persona, te llevas 4 combos completos para toda tu familia. Ahorra como lo prefieres.